delighted to be joined here by Julia.
And Nail Nancy.
That's right.
This is makartt. This is the nail gel kit, and oh my gosh, I love it so much. So it comes with all these different parts. What is your favorite part about this kit?
Okay, well, aside from the fact that it's been upgraded, like total design overhaul, which I love, the glitter is something I'm ecstatic about because I'm all about bling.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the glitter right over here. I love the loose powders. I know Nancy is a big fan of the chunkier, glitters, but they look really nice on her.
So
look at
gorge,
them.
yeah.
I use the loose powders on my pinky.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I like them both, so it's hard to tell.
Yeah, it really is hard to tell.
Nancy,
Something for everyone.
show them your fingers because you use
my
all
gosh.
the different ones over here.
I couldn't decide. I mean, this is the perfect thing to do. Like, if you are totally indecisive, why not wear them all?
Well,
I mean,
you know what? If you're going out, it will match. At least one of them will match your outfit.
Exactly.
So you're good.
Totally.
You're good.
Yeah, there is absolutely something for everyone, and it really feels natural and light, which I love.
Yeah,
right?
that's
so it's
another
not weighing
thing.
me down.
It's very it feels almost like my natural nails, which are really nice. I know you use the natural nail forms over here.
The dual form.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I use the sticker forms.
Yeah.
And they worked really well, but that is my preferred preference is the dual form right over here. Those are my favorite. And they make a really nice shape, and then you can just file it out later. Speaking of that, let's talk about the gels.
Oh my gosh, yeah, the gels are awesome. They're 3 different shades.
What's your favorite?
Okay, well,
I love the pink one.
Yeah, the pink is beautiful. I mean, that's what it looks like, guys. So if you get that, I mean, that's like a nice blush
pink.
pink.
She just put some sparkles on that, and that's the
it.
color. Yeah.
Exactly. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So you got to rethink pink. They figured it out here. It's beautiful. And then there's also the bright white, which is really lovely.
Yeah.
It pops, you know,
really
it's
nice.
something really translucent. And then we also have the
clear,
beautiful clear.
of course.
Exactly, which you can't
do
go wrong.
anything.
Yeah, exactly. You got a clear, clean slate. It's amazing. I totally love makartt. Like, I'm just in love with
makartt is really good quality. Like everything, even like the file, the 100 by 180, I found like a lot of files don't file as well, but this one was really good quality. I really liked it, and it really got the job done really fast.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Like, if you look at the dual form before I did anything to it, and then you look at the shape now,
Before and after,
yeah,
it's totally
exactly.
different.
It was brilliant. Like, this just totally shaved off those sides and gave me the claws that I want.
Oh yeah.
I mean, and I love the
yes,
fact that
Nancy.
a lot of times when you have claws, like, they come off a lot easier.
Yeah.
But with
These ones
makartt, I
seem to
found,
stay on really well.
they're more durable. Exactly, which is brilliant.
Another thing I really like about this is the dual brush. So there's the spatula on one side and the brush.
Yeah.
And so you can just easily dip everything, and it's really like easy to wash off and wipe off. And that was one of my favorite things about it. It's just like how easy this was to work with.
Oh my gosh, another thing that I love is that because
lamp?
I was in totally such a hurry, because I'm like, okay, I gotta get my nails done like super lightning fast because I gotta get out the door and go out and, you know, do it up, right? So I was like, oh my gosh, hopefully this doesn't take forever, and I was amazed. It only took a minute, like actually a minute to dry.
Yeah, 60 seconds.
Yeah, cure. I mean, really, talk about the cure for everything.
Yeah, or the top coat and the base coat's only 30 seconds, or the jelly gel nails, it's only 30. So
It's
like
amazing.
really, really fast.
Yeah.
Okay, speaking of the top coat and the base coat, I am a huge fan of the top coat because of the name. I know you like to drop the base, Nancy, but
All about the base, about the base.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is like, oh my god, okay, so that's your base coat.
Yeah.
This is my top coat. So one thing I love about this is the name. It's so cute. So top it off, top coat.
Exactly.
I just found that so cute.
It's the icing on the cake. I mean, after you have like the beautiful bedazzle, you find that sometimes it gets a bit dull because you put the stuff over it to make it cure. And then when you put that top coat on, it just pops. Yeah, the top will pop. Absolutely.
Oh, yes.
But it won't pop off. I mean, that's actually going to be avoided if you prep the nails and you clean them. Obviously, you need to remove that dead skin cell or exfoliate. It's great, right?
Okay, one thing we do need to mention is the UV LED lamp, which is really, like, it's really good.
Super.
I like it though. And
It's a nice color.
Yeah, and then another thing about it is it's also magnetic, so it's really easy to clean or wash, and I was surprised of how, like, easy it is just to, like, pop it off.
Yeah.
And you're good.
Yeah. Absolutely, yeah, exactly.
There
Magnetized,
we go.
exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's brilliant. Speaking of brilliant, the colors are brilliant. I mean, if you're not doing glitter, just even the regular color.
Beginners,
yeah,
especially
exactly.
like if you just want to play around or experiment, like the instructions are pretty like just step by step by step.
Here's the
Everything's
instruction
there.
book. But you don't need that. You have us. Honestly, I'm a complete novice. I always got my nails done, and I was like, I want to do it myself. If I want to be able to save money and not like, I love my nail lady. Don't get me wrong.
Just do it.
If you're watching, I'm sorry.
You
but
don't
this
even
is
need an appointment.
exactly.
It's
You
so
make your own
easy.
appointment. It works around your schedule, and it takes no time at all. It's awesome.
Buy it.
Oh yeah, and absolutely, if you want to buy it, I would say there are some holidays coming up. There's always holidays coming up. Or you can just buy it for yourself for no particular occasion because you're worth it.
Girlfriend,
You deserve
mother,
it.
give it to your mother. It's
Yeah.
good.
Heck, even the dads out there, I mean, some of these guys out there are like sporting nicer nails than I have,
That's
honestly.
true.
Yeah,
That
so
is
I think there's
true.
something for everyone.
Okay, so sometimes your nail gets a little bit sticky. I know the gel, it comes out in here and it's kind of harder to move at first. So what should we do?
Okay, so basically the best thing you can do is use 70% isopropyl alcohol.
Yes.
That is the cure-all for it all. And it will absolutely remove that stick, and then you don't have to worry about attaching yourself and being adhesive to various things.
It comes out and
Yeah.
you can really just shape it to the way you want in the form.
Exactly. Get in great shape, absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
And another thing to wonder about is what if the nail falls off?
Yes. So if the nail falls off, make sure it doesn't happen. So ways you can prevent that is just make sure it's clean before you do it. But I just made sure that this was really clean, no dirt, no oils, no nothing on it, and it's prepped really well. And then I would start everything.
Yeah, and on that, I mean, you really do want to be proactive, and you want to remove those dead skin cells. That's really crucial.
Any dead skin?
So exfoliate, just like how you would care for your face, you know, before you put on your base and all that stuff. Same idea with your nails. You just want to have that clean slate so it can look great.